Last time I came here to check the airport when they start to reopen after the lockdown from the pandemic. And today I'm going to fly. And I will do some vlog. I will try to do some vlog there. Basically, I just want to enjoy my time, but we'll see. There is a long queue at the check-in counter, so I will recommend you to check in online and just come here and drop the bag by yourself. I'm going to fly with Thai Airways TG910, and this is the direct flight. It takes around 12 hours. When you pass the passport control, you can check from the board which gate you are, and you can check which the direction you have to walk. I've got plenty of time, so I'm just walking around the duty free, check stuff around, and might need something for my friends, and then we walk to the gate. I think I'm the first one to be here. Anyway, see you on the flight. The first meal is the chicken masman curry, some cake, and this is like a minced pork. And my breakfast is omelette, sausage, croissant, fruits and yogurt. I've arrived at the Heathrow Airport. I've got a SIM card. I'm now walking to the underground station. I'm going to take the tube to St. Pancras station, and then we take the train to Nottingham. In case of this is your first time in London and you don't know how to use the Oyster card, you just tap the card and then read how much you have left in the card. If you want to top up, you press the amount of money and then insert coin or cash or card, and then touch again to add the money into your card. Now you're ready to go. And the first stop is Nottingham. Nottingham, isn't it?
Yes.
Yay! This is Parimala! Yay! And my first meal is biryani by Parimala. So what is biryani?
So biryani is traditionally layered rice. A sauce with some vegetables, rice, sauce and rice, and it can either be vegetarian or with a lot of meat. Biryani had a lot of vegetables which are slightly not traditional as well, but you know, I just add whatever vegetables and I try to make it a little more on the spicier side.
Yes, I love so much.
Especially for Joy.
Yes.
So yes, Yeah, also biryani is eaten with something called as raita, which is just yogurt with some cucumber, onions, and tomatoes, and with some.
Who is he?
So he is Robin Hood. He is the star of Nottingham, really. So he was the savior of the poor. So what he did was he robbed from the rich and made sure the poor got some money. And he operated out of Sherwood Forest, which is just outside Nottingham. And this is a statue of Robin Hood. And he often loses his bow and arrow, and then it's replaced quite frequently, I've been told. So yeah, so when you think of Nottingham, everybody thinks of Robin Hood, and if you know of Robin Hood, you should come to Nottingham.
I'm going to finish my first day here and see you tomorrow. We are going to walk to the Peak District.